Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something a little bit spicy, belly buttons. That's right, your partner's belly button can be a super sexy erogenous zone that you might be overlooking. So, if you're looking to heat things up in the bedroom, you won't want to miss these 11 sexy things to do to your partner's belly button in bed. 1. The area from his belly button to his inner thighs is uber erogenous, and a gentle massage is a great way to rev his engine. Try putting your finger into his belly button as you massage that area. For some, this can be a hardcore turn-on. Try applying various stages of pressure to learn what your partner responds to. 2. Caress his penis and lick his belly button at the same time. Draw a line with your tongue from his belly button downward, then gently blow on the line to create a tingling sensation. Alternate between hot and cold air for stimulation overload. 3. Make your way down his body like you're about to give oral, only once you reach his belly button. Do not pass go. Keep licking, kissing, and touching him from the belly button up until he can't take anymore, then go in for the kill. 4. The belly button is a nice pit stop between the breasts and genitals. One of the best ways to approach belly button play is by circling the area. Use large circles that converge slowly, using the belly button as your bullseye. You can perform these movements with a light touch, your tongue, or a sex toy. 5. With one hand, insert 1 or 2 fingers into her vagina and stimulate her G-spot using a come-hither motion. With the other, rub her abdomen and press your thumb into her belly button. Not everyone will like too much pressure in it, so make sure you adjust your play to your partner's preference. 6. Gently rub around her belly button like you're massaging her ABS. When a woman's abdomen is lightly stimulated, her abdominal muscles contract. Since the abdominal muscles are connected to the vagina, these contractions can make her feel aroused, even orgasm. Whoop, whoop. 7. Relax your lips and use your tongue to swirl around the belly button, then use the tip of your tongue to give it a gentle poke. This move is great for nipple play too. 8. Softly kiss your partner's lips, like, so soft that you're barely touching, while gently tickling his skin from the pelvis up to the belly button. 9. Many people like ice cubes in their navel and licking the water around the abdomen. Since there are oodles of nerve endings on the skin in this area, the cold of the ice combined with the heat from your breath can be a major turn-on. 10. Dab whipped cream, or ice cream, if you dare, into the belly button and lightly lick it out. I wouldn't recommend heavy syrups like chocolate sauce or honey, as some of that debris can be left over in the navel cavity if not cleaned properly, which could translate into an infection. For this particular body part, stick with lighter desserts. Just keep these away from your vag. 11. Lightly stroke the abdominal area with your fingers, crossing over the belly button as you do so. This can be very erotic for both men and women, and can stimulate blood flow to the penis or vagina. And there you have it, folks. 11 sexy things to do to your partner's belly button in bed. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tricks. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and spice up their love lives too. Let me know in the comments which belly button move was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.